I'm gonna show you how to do some sweet Asian glazed pork chops. Let's get it. Let's make some pork chops, y'all. So go ahead and get yourself some nice, thick, big old pork chops. For these, we're using about 2.5 inches. As far as seasoning goes, just a little bit of salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder, okay? Really simple. Put them in a bowl, make sure you coat both sides. I got my grill rocking nice and hot, 450 degrees. We're gonna let them sear on each side for roughly 3-4 minutes, okay? Now let's move over to the sauce. For the sauce, you're gonna wanna do a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of ponzu, a little bit of Italian zesty dressing, as much honey as you like, a splash of rice wine vinegar, and some optional red pepper flakes. It's been about 3 minutes, so these pork chops should have developed a nice sear. As you can see, my grill has some hot spots and cold spots. You just need to shuffle them around every so often just to make sure that they cook evenly. I like to bring my pork up to 145 degrees and let it rest. It'll come up to about 150 to 155 degrees. Now we're just about done. Go ahead and grab your glaze that you made earlier and baste them thoroughly. You want to constantly apply a nice coat all the way around, top, bottom, and sides. Then flip them over and do it again. Just when you thought you glazed them enough, go ahead and just do them a little bit more. It's going to add just a little bit to that flavor, and it's going to give it a really nice sheen. Plus, it's going to allow them to set up, and that glaze is just going to pop out at you. These pork chops are really good, guys. I know this is a really simple recipe, but they're sweet, they're tangy. That pork chop is nice and thick, so it's really, really juicy. If you had some charcoal on here or you had some wood chunks, throw it on your grill, let it smoke, and it'll add that level of flavor to it, right? It started to rain on me, so I had to get these off quick, but that didn't stop me from grabbing some fresh chives from my garden and finishing these things like a true champ. Thanks for sticking around this far. If you liked what you saw in this episode, please like, comment, and let me know what you want to see on future episodes. Also, if you could please do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. Thanks.